The price of both Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, moved higher before reversing lower today as inflation for March accelerated to 8.5% compared to the same month last year, slightly exceeding analysts' expectations. The number was also up markedly from February's reading of 7.9%. The All Items Index continued to accelerate, rising 8.5% for the 12 months ending March, the largest 12-month increase since the period ending December 1981. The All Items Less Food and Energy Index rose 6.5%, the largest 12-month change since the period ending August 1982, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics wrote in its latest inflation report. While the headline inflation came in slightly above expectations, core CPI came in slightly below it. Analysts' expectation for the headline inflation last month was 8.4%, while the core CPI was expected at 6.6%, once again marking the highest inflation in the U.S. since the early 1980s. Headline inflation is the commonly quoted inflation number that includes all consumer prices, while core CPI excludes prices on food and energy. The BTC price initially reacted to the slightly higher than expected inflation reading by moving about 0.7% higher in the first 10 minutes after the release, while ETH saw a spike of about 1.5%. However, the market later reversed to the downside, with BTC once again dipping, testing the key $40 level. At 14:30 UTC, BTC was down 1.3% since the announcement, trading at $39 850. Meanwhile, ETH was down by 0.5% over the same time period to $3 019. At the same time, the S&P 500 stock index was up by 0.85% for the day. Ahead of the release of the inflation number, crypto markets were already trimming losses after heavy selling on Monday. Similarly, S&P 500 stock index futures in the U.S. also pointed up slightly after a red day yesterday. According to Marcus Sotirin, an analyst at the UK-based digital asset broker Global Block, the recent weakness in the crypto market can mainly be put down to the current macro headwinds at hand. With soaring inflation, retail investors do not have enough money to invest significant amounts in what. Today's inflation report comes after energy prices in particular have risen strongly in the wake of Russia's full-scale attack on Ukraine, which began on February 24.